Hi, it's Liz and welcome to Under the Microscope and to another lounge lab. Today we're going to be looking at how we can go diving in my living room. Excellent stuff. So, very easy experiment and you don't really need very much for this one at all, and it's all stuff that you can definitely find around your house. You need a really big bottle full of water, and I mean full to the very, very top. That's pretty important with this one. You need a glass of water as well, not for drinking though, you need that for the experiment. You also need a pen lid. The littler ones are the best for this one because they work much, much better. So get one of those if you can. You also need some blue tack, which you need to put underneath the pen and also on top if there's any holes in the top so that you cover them over. And then I'm using a nice little pretty red bead as well for a weight. So what you need to do is make sure that there are absolutely no holes in the top of your pen lid and that there are none underneath either, and that your weight is definitely on there. Then you need to just test it out in the glass of water to make sure that it floats. Now you want it to float just underneath the level of the water. You don't want it to be sticking out of the water, that's no good, and you don't want it to be halfway down the glass either. Just perfectly floating just underneath the top. Then you use your little diver, which we've just made, and you put it into the top of the water. So make sure that again, it just floats above the top. Then you put the lid back on, make sure that you really squeeze it on tight because you don't want water going everywhere. Now that diver is floating, and the reason for that is that the density of that is a lot lower than the rest of the bottle. If it was higher, it'd be down here. But we can alter the density of that diver by squeezing the bottle. So if we squeeze this bottle, we change the pressure, so the diver will shoot straight to the bottom of the bottle. If we then let it go, the diver shoots straight back up to the top again. So you're completely changing the density. And what you're doing, the pressure, by changing the pressure, you're squeezing the air that's in the pen lid into a much, much smaller space. And that makes the density a lot higher. So it will shoot to the bottom. It's pretty good fun. And you can do all sorts of different ones as well, so that you can have loads of divers in there, you can race them, or you can have ones that have got like little tentacles on them and you can make them look like jellyfish as well. All sorts of stuff. Lots of fun. So have a little go yourselves and let us know how you get on. See you next time.